So in today's video, we are going to be replacing this MSI's laptop screen. This model number is the MSI MS-16V1. Now, why we want to replace this screen is because this customer is experiencing something a little unusual. This is an indicator that it is a broken screen, but I don't see any cracks on it. And the customer did state it could be a GPU. I don't think that's the case. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the screen, test it out, and see hopefully that's what he needs. So first thing is first, let's turn this guy off. Let's go ahead and start removing this bezel. Just gonna use one of these picks. Now all the parts and tools used on our bench will be in the description down below. If you're planning on doing this repair yourself or following along, you can always order the parts in our description. So you want to remove this bezel right here without damaging it. Pretty much usually the hardest part. It's like there's strong adhesive holding that down. Go around the corners. I did tell the customer we're going to test the new screen and see if that works. If it does resolve the problem, we're going to finalize this repair, and if it doesn't, we're not going to charge them for the screen repair. Yeah, we never really charge customers for a job that's unsuccessful. So I'm just cutting the adhesive right around the bezel. Okay, very good. Almost done. Okay, easy peasy. Now that we have the bezel removed, now we're gonna go ahead and remove the screen. Usually screens have pull tabs, either at the bottom or at the very top. And we can remove the pull tabs and the screen comes off. In this case, it doesn't. So likely it's just got adhesive in the back holding it down. Not a big fan of this concept. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put comes off extremely easy. Oh my, never mind. Wow, this is like the easiest screen repair. Okay, good. Easy is good. So at this point, we're just gonna go ahead and unplug the screen. Let's just remove this plastic. Even though I do plan on replacing it and thinking this will resolve its issue, I still wanna be delicate with this, just in case I'm wrong. I never wanna make something worse, even if it's bad. Okay, it's lifted. Now I'm just gonna lift this, just like that, and just pull off the screen. Okay, screen has been removed. We're gonna go ahead and swap this out with another one. So here's another screen that we have for this. Now again, if you're following along and you're doing this yourself, the products, including this, and tools will be listed in the description down below, so you guys can follow along and do it yourselves. Now, just in case you decided not to do it yourself, or if you decided you want somebody else to work on it, we do accept mail-in repairs. So the mail-in form is a link down in the description down below. If you guys did want us to go ahead and repair this, we do computer repairs, and they are relatively quick. We do phones, computers, laptops, tablets, pretty much all tech. So if you have any questions, do send us an email. Our contact us form is also down below. So let's continue on here. What I want to do is just plug in this screen, and we'll test. We'll go from there. This cable does need to fit in perfectly for it to work. Okay, I think it's plugged in perfectly. I'm gonna put it back up here and we'll test. So let's turn it on, we'll say Bismillah, and let's see if this actually displays anything on the screen. Or can it be a GPU problem? Oh, there it is. As expected, it was a screen-related issue. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, let us know down below. If you need any repairs yourself, we do accept mail-in repairs. The mail-in form is in the description, so click on that if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.